Welcome back to MSKTV. Today's lesson. Understand how to add fractions with unlike denominators, Visual Math for Kids, Series 26. This lesson is designed and structured for students in grades 3 to 5, as well as beginners who are learning how to add fractions with different denominators in a simple and clear way. Hello again, dear parents, educators, young learners, and math lovers. Thank you to all our subscribers. This is your channel. We kindly invite you to share our lessons to help more kids learn math the easy and fun way. Are you ready for another exciting episode on adding fractions? Previously, in our last series 24 and 25, we understood the basics of fractions, what they mean, how to find equivalent fractions, and how to add fractions with like denominators, and more. In this episode, we will learn how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Part 1. Understanding. Unlike fractions. When we add fractions that have different denominators, we must first find a common denominator. To add fractions with unlike denominators, follow this rule. Find the least common denominator, or LCD. Rewrite both fractions to have the same denominator. Add the numerators and keep the denominator. Simplify if needed. Example 1. Let's calculate this sum of these two fractions. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 equals what? Since these two fractions have different denominators, let's begin by finding the least common denominator. Step 1. Find the least common denominator of 3 and 5. The least common denominator, or LCD, of 3 and 5 is 3 times 5, and that equals 15. Step 2. Rewrite both fractions to have the same denominator. 1 over 3 becomes 5 over 15, because 1 times 5 over 3 times 5 equals 5 over 15. 2 over 5 becomes 6 over 15 because 2 times 3 over 5 times 3 equals 6 over 15. Step 3. Now add the numerators. 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15 equals 11 over 15. So, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 equals 11 over 15. Example 2. Likewise, let's calculate this other sum of fractions. 1 over 6 plus 3 over 7 equals what? Step 1. Let's find the least common denominator of 6 and 7. The least common denominator of 6 and 7 equals 6 times 7, which equals 42. Step 2. Rewrite both fractions to have the same denominator. 1 over 6 becomes 7 over 42 because 1 times 7 over 6 times 7 equals 7 over 42. 3 over 7 becomes 18 over 42 because 3 times 6 over 7 times 6 equals 18 over 42. Step 3. Add the numerators. 7 over 42 plus 18 over 42 equals 25 over 42. So, 1 over 6 plus 3 over 7 equals 25 over 42. Example 3. Let's see this third example. 2 over 4 plus 3 over 8 equals what? Like the previous examples, since these two fractions have different denominators, let's begin by finding the least common denominator. Step 1. Let's find the least common denominator of 4 and 8. The least common denominator of 4 and 8 equals 8. Step 2. Rewrite 2/4 as 4/8 by multiplying both the top and bottom by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8, so 2/4 equals 4/8. Now, both fractions have the same denominator. Step 3. Add the numerators. 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8 equals 7 over 8. So, 2 over 4 plus 3 over 8 equals 7 over 8. Quick quiz! Now it's your turn. Which answer is correct? Question 1. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 equals what? Choose the option that fits. Option A, 2 over 3. Option B, 5 over 6. Or option C, 4/5. The correct answer is option B, because 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 5/6. Question 2. 3/5 plus 1/2 equals what? Choose the option that fits. Option A, 7/10. Option B, 6/10. Or option C, 11/10. The correct answer is option C, because 3/5 plus 1/2 equals 11/10. Homework time. Calculate these sums of fractions on your own. Question 1. 2/3 plus 3/4 equals what? Question 2. 1/5 plus 2/10 equals what? Question 3. 3/8 plus 1/6 equals what? Great job! Your efforts truly deserve recognition. Keep practicing and join us in Series 27, only on MSKTV, where we'll learn how to add mixed numbers and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. We kindly invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video with your parents, teachers, and friends. Your support encourages us to keep creating fun and inspiring math lessons for learners everywhere.